Hello everyone, welcome to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn Class 7 Semester 2 Chapter 3 Algebraic Expressions Exercise 3.3 fourth sum onwards. See now question number 4. Subtract the second expression from the first expression. See the first sum 2x plus y, x minus y. Now we have to subtract the second expression from the first expression. So we have written 2x plus y minus of x minus y, that equals to 2x plus y minus x minus into minus plus y, that equals to rearranging the like terms 2x minus x plus y plus y, that equals to 2x minus x, that is x plus y plus y 2y. So the answer is x plus 2y. See now second sum a plus 2b plus c minus a minus b minus 3c. Now we have to subtract the second expression from the first expression. So we have written a plus 2b plus c minus of minus a minus b minus 3c, that equals to a plus 2b plus c minus into minus plus. So write down plus a, again minus into minus plus b minus into minus plus 3c, that equals to rearranging the like terms a plus of 2b plus b plus of c plus 3c, that equals to a plus a 2a plus 2b plus b 3b plus c plus 3c 4c. So the answer is 2a plus 3b plus 4c. See now third sum 2l square minus 3lm plus 5m square 3l square minus 4lm plus 6m square. Now we have to subtract the second expression from the first expression. So we have written 2l square minus 3lm plus 5m square minus 3l square minus 4lm plus 6m square, that equals to 2l square minus 3lm plus 5m square minus 3l square, minus of minus means plus 4lm, minus of plus means minus 6m square, that equals to rearranging like terms 2l square minus 3l square plus of minus 3lm plus 4lm plus of 5m square minus 6m square, that equals to 2l square minus 3l square, that is minus l square minus 3lm plus of 4lm, both are having opposite sign, we have to do subtraction. So 4 minus 3, 1. So minus 3lm plus 4lm, we will get answer plus lm. Next 5m square minus 6m square, both are having opposite sign, we have to do subtraction. Here 6 is greatest, its sign is minus, so keep here minus sign, then do subtraction. 6 minus 5, 1. So 6m square minus 5m square means minus m square. So the final answer is minus l square plus lm minus m square. See now fourth one, 7 minus x minus 3x square 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Now we have to subtract the second expression from the first expression. So we have written 7 minus x minus 3x square minus of second expression 2x square minus 5x minus 3, that equals to 7 minus x minus 3x square minus 2x square, minus of minus means plus 5x, minus of minus means plus 3, that equals to rearranging the like terms minus 3x square minus 2x square plus of minus x plus 5x plus of 7 plus 3, minus 3x square minus 2x square, both are having same sign, we have to do addition and keep minus sign. So 3x square plus 2x square is 5x square, keep minus sign. So the answer is here minus 5x square. Next one minus x plus 5x, both are having opposite sign, we have to do subtraction. 5x minus x, that is 4x. Next 7 plus 3, 10. So the final answer is minus 5x square plus 4x plus 10. See now fourth question, fifth sum 6m cube plus 4m square plus 7m minus 3, 2m cube plus 4. Now we have to subtract the second expression from the first expression. So we have written 6m cube plus 4m square plus 7m minus 3 minus of second expression 2m cube plus 4. That equals to 6m cube plus 4m square plus 7m minus 3 minus 2m cube minus into plus minus 4. That equals to, rearranging like terms, 6m cube minus 2m cube plus 4m square plus 7m plus of minus 3 minus 4. That equals to 6m cube minus 2m cube is 4m cube plus 4m square plus 7m minus 3 minus 4, that is minus 7. So the final answer is 4m cube plus 4m square plus 7m minus 7. See now question number 5. Find the perimeter of the beside rectangle whose length is 6x plus y and breadth is 3x minus 2y. Let us see the solution. We know perimeter of the rectangle formula 2 into length plus breadth, that equals to 2 into, here length is given as 6x plus y and breadth is given as 3x minus 2y. That equals to 2 into, rearranging the like terms, 6x plus 3x plus of y minus 2y. That equals to 2 into 6x plus 3x, that is 9x, y minus 2y, that is minus y. So 2 into 9x minus y. That equals to, now let us multiply by 2. 2 into 9x, that is 18x minus 2 into y, that is 2y. So perimeter of the rectangle is 18x minus 2y. See now question number 6. Find the perimeter of triangle whose sides are a plus 3b, a minus b and 2a minus b. Let us see the solution. Perimeter of triangle is sum of its three sides, that equals to 2a minus b plus of a minus b plus of a plus 3b. Rearranging the like terms, 2a plus a plus of minus b plus 3b. That equals to 2a, a plus a is 2a, plus minus b, that is minus 2b plus 3b. That equals to 2a plus 2a, 4a, plus 3b minus 2b, that is b. So the answer is 4a plus b. Therefore, perimeter of triangle is 4a plus b. See now 7th one. Subtract the sum of x square minus 5xy plus 2y square and y square minus 2xy minus 3x square from the sum of 6x square minus 8xy minus y square and 2xy minus 2y square minus x square. Now let us see the solution. Sum of first two expressions, that is x square minus 5xy plus 2y square and y square minus 2xy minus 3x square. Now we have written the expressions in this standard form and we have to write like terms in the same column. X square minus 5xy plus 2y square minus 3x square minus 2xy plus y square. See here x square and minus 3x square having different sign. So we have to do subtraction. Here 3x square is greatest, its sign is minus. So keep here minus sign and do subtraction. 3x square minus x square is 2x square. So the answer is here minus 2x square. Next, minus 5xy and minus 2xy. Both are having same sign. We have to do addition and keep here minus sign. So 5xy plus 2xy is 7xy. Next one, 2y square plus y square, that is 3y square. So the final answer is minus 2x square minus 7xy plus 3y square. Let us treat this expression as first one. Now we have to do the sum of next two expressions, that is sum of 6x square minus 8xy minus y square and 2xy minus 2y square minus x square. Now we have written 6x square minus 8xy minus y square and second expression in the standard form, that is minus x square plus 2xy minus 2y square. 6x square minus x square, that is 5x square, minus 8xy plus 2xy. Both are having opposite sign. We have to do subtraction. Keep minus sign and subtract. 8xy minus 2xy, that is 6xy. Next one, minus y square minus 2y square. Both are having same sign. We have to do addition and keep minus sign. So y square plus 2y square, that is 3y square. So the answer is 5x square minus 6xy minus 3y square. Now let us treat this expression second one. Now according to the question, we have to subtract 2 minus 1. So we have written second expression 5x square minus 6xy minus 3y square, and first one minus 2x square minus 7xy plus 3y square. Now we have to change the sign of the second expression here. So here minus there means plus, again minus there means plus, here plus there means minus sign. Now let us do the calculation. 5x square plus 2x square, that is 7x square. Next minus 6xy plus 7xy. Both are having opposite sign. We have to do subtraction. So 7xy minus 6xy, that is xy. Next minus 3y square minus 3y square. Both are having same sign. We have to do addition. Keep here minus sign. Then add 3y square plus 3y square, that is 6y square. Therefore the final answer is 7x square plus xy minus 6y square. See now question number 8. What should be added to 1 plus 2p minus 3p square to get p square minus p minus 1? Let us see the solution. To get the required result, we have to subtract first expression from the second expression. So we have written p square minus p minus 1. The first expression we have written in the standard form, that is minus 3p square plus 2p plus 1. Now we have to change sign for this expression. Minus there means plus, plus there means minus, again here plus there is minus sign. Now we shall do the calculation. P square plus 3p square, that is 4p square. Next minus p minus 2p, that is minus 3p. Next minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. Therefore 4p square minus 3p minus 2 is the expression that is to be added to 1 plus 2p minus 3p square to get p square minus p minus 1. See now question number 9. What should be taken away from 3a square minus 4b square plus 5ab plus 20 to get minus a square minus b square plus 6ab plus 3? Let us see the solution. To get the required result, we have to subtract the second expression from the first expression. See now, 3a square minus 4b square plus 5ab plus 20. Next, minus a square minus b square plus 6ab plus 3. Now we have to change second expression signs, that is minus sign means plus sign means minus sign. Now see here, 3a square plus a square, that is 4a square. Next, minus 4b square plus b square. Both are having opposite sign. We have to do subtraction and keep minus sign. 4b square minus b square, that is 3b square. See next, 5ab minus 6ab. Both are having opposite sign. We have to do subtraction. Keep here minus sign. 6ab minus 5ab, that is ab. Next, 20 minus 3, that is 17. So the final answer is 4a square minus 3b square minus ab plus 17. Therefore, 4a square minus 3b square minus ab plus 17 should be taken away from 3a square minus 4b square plus 5ab plus 20 to get minus a square minus b square plus 6ab plus 3. See now question number 10. If a equals to 4x square plus y square minus 6xy, b equal to 3y square plus 12x square plus 8xy, c equal to 6x square plus 8y square plus 6xy, then find first one a plus b plus c. That equals to, we have written the given expressions in the standard form. First, a expression is 4x square minus 6xy plus y square. Next, b1 is 12x square plus 8xy plus 3y square. Then c expression is 6x square plus 6xy plus 8y square. Now let us do addition. 4 plus 12, 16, 16 plus 6, 22, x square. Next, minus 6xy plus 6xy, you will get 0. Now we are left over with 8xy. Next, y square plus 3y square, that is 4y square, plus 8y square, that is 12y square. Add on plus 12y square. So the answer is 22x square plus 8xy plus 12y square. See now second one, a minus b minus c. First we shall do a minus b, that is 4x square minus 6xy plus y square, and b is 12x square plus 8xy plus 3y square. Now we have changed the second expression sign. Plus value there means we have to keep minus sign. Minus there means we have to change the sign to plus sign. Now let us do the calculation. 4x square minus 12x square. Answer is minus 8x square. Why? Because both are having opposite sign, we have to do subtraction. Next one, minus 6xy minus 8xy. Both are having same sign, we have to do addition. Keep minus sign. 6xy plus 8xy, that is 14xy. Next one, plus y square minus 3y square. Both are having opposite sign, so we have to do subtraction. Keep minus sign. 3y square minus y square, that is 2y square. So a minus b answer is minus 8x square minus 14xy minus 2y square. Therefore a minus b minus c is, a minus b value we got here minus 8x square minus 14xy minus 2y square. Next we are going to subtract c value. Write down 6x square plus 6xy plus 8y square. Now we have to do subtraction. For that we are changing the second expression sign. Plus value is there, we have changed them to minus. Now let us do the calculation. Minus 8x square minus 6x square, that is minus 14x square. Next one, minus 14xy minus 6xy, that is minus 20xy. Next one, minus 2y square minus 8y square, that is minus 10y square. Therefore, a minus b minus c answer is minus 14x square minus 20xy minus 10y square. Today we have seen chapter 3 algebraic expressions, exercise 3.3, fourth sum onwards. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.